How to fix Leagues of Legends cannot update the game. File is currently in use error. First step, close all Riot process. Open up Task Manager. Under Process tab, check for Riot Client and Leagues of Legends. If it's running means end the task completely and move on with next step. Run Riot Client as administrator. Right click Riot Client, click Properties, click Compatibility, enable Run the program as administrator, click Apply and OK. And move on with next step. Clear Riot caches. Search for run and type the following text. Percentage local app data percentage. Type it correctly and click OK. Search for Riot games. Click it. Click Riot client. Delete the Riot games folder caches if present. Move on with next step. Open up this PC. Make sure you have enough memory space. Right click. Click properties. Click tools. Click check and scan the drive. It's entirely verifying your C drive. If there is any corrupted file having means it will remove it. Once complete after it will throw up the message successfully scanned. No error were found. Then close it and move on with next step. Search for Windows Defender Firewall. Click it. Select allow an app of users through Windows Defender Firewall. Select change settings. Scroll down. Search for Riot client. It should enable in both private and public. If it's not enabled means you can enable it. If the application not having means you need to click allow another app in the bottom side. Click browse. Go to C drive. Riot games. Riot client. You get the application. Click it and add it. Once adding after you need to check. It should enable in both private and public. Click OK in the bottom side and restart your device. Thank you.